Are your appliances mysteriously breaking down right after their warranties expire? You're not alone. Neglecting regular maintenance may seem harmless, but it can lead to unexpected headaches and pricey repair bills. With just a bit of TLC, you can extend their lifespan and save money in the long run. Think of appliance care like a car tune-up. Neglecting it now could lead to big issues later. For instance, a clogged dryer vent might escalate into a costly repair. And let's not forget about energy efficiency. Poorly maintained appliances can spike your utility bills. So, why not create a simple maintenance checklist? Regularly wipe surfaces, clean filters, and do quick inspections. Set a maintenance calendar and make it easy. By taking these small steps, you can say goodbye to those hidden costs and hello to a smoothly running home. Embrace appliance care and keep your budget happy while enjoying stress-free living.